All right, so this weekend is going to be some sort of an adventure, starting with today because wifey's out of town and I have August solo for the next couple of days, at least until my sister arrives tomorrow night. So your boy has to kind of keep the house in order, right? Do his job and continue to maintain these vlogs. So yeah, it's gonna be, well, I ain't even gonna project it out there, but it's gonna be tough. I ain't gonna front like it's not gonna be a headache, cause look, we gotta start with putting his clothes away, doing the laundry, picking up stuff, dropping him off to daycare, training, editing, all this stuff. So we'll see how it unfolds.
You're the only girl that I think about, you're the only girl in my mind. I'm wishing you was right next to me.
What you know about that, man?
Yo, is the camera rolling?
Yo, you know we gotta pull up on Chris.
What's he gotta say? What you know about that?
Yo,
what you know about that work?
Yo, what you know about what the young kids say? You know, people looking like a snack. No, look. So most people take lunch breaks. So most people take lunch breaks. I'm taking a workout break right now. Ryan kicking my ass right now.
We still looking like a whole snack, baby.
Yo, it's.
See that? That's a Big Mac with bacon on it right there.
Oh, he got the bacon on the side. So let's go.
Yo,
give us like 2 seconds.
Is it a limited time or no?
What do you mean?
Oh, you mean like because it'll be back like the McRib and then it goes away?
Yeah.
It's not going nowhere.
It's going nowhere.
Nowhere.
All right, that's important. That's important.
So, come on, Chris. All right. So basically, people talk about getting in that work. This is something I've been doing 20 plus years, baby. You know what I mean?
Crushing it. Now, just here. You take this, that, and boom. Come, let's go in the room. Yo, let's go. Yo. So he's at the age where he is very destructive, like pulling, dropping everything, like poking everything, pulling, ripping, throwing. Yo, dude, are you gonna help me pack and fold your laundry? What's good? Huh? Huh? Yeah. All right, so I'm sorta listening to my homegirl Garrett's podcast, but he's just banging on some toys. So I'll wait till he go to bed. Yeah. All right. So the mission is for me. So All right. So the mission is for me to. All right, kid, come here. Let me. All right, hop on the table. Okay, so the mission is for me to feed him dinner, put him to bed, and then I get to start working. Actually, I'm gonna just relax, watch some Netflix. I'm gonna try and not work this evening. It's just me and the little man, and I'm gonna start clocking out after 5 p.m. basically, because it's sort of like that 9-to-5 job. You have to have that balance or you just burn out. So I'm going to heed that and start practicing it. All right, so far dinner's going all right. Okay, we're starting off with some protein with this yogurt, and he's loving it. So we want him to eat more solids, but he just seems to love yogurt. Yay! More? All right, he's eating a salmon patty, so dinner is going good. Your boy is doing good. All right, more? Ooh, what was that? More? So right now I'm going to see if I can watch that Duke versus NC game, because August is asleep now. So going to get comfortable and see if I could actually watch the game. I don't know if I have that channel. So fun fact, well, it's not a fun fact. Ever since I started creating, right? Ever since I started creating, I had no use for these channels, so I don't have ESPN, basically. So I guess Netflix it is. August was up just a little bit, fussing, pat his little butt. Now he's going to bed. Right now I'm watching one of my favorite movies. It's Red. I think it's the first one. And this is my favorite scene right here, coming up. Like, this scene is freaking gold right here. It's like, how did he know? No, that's not really the part though, even though this is one of the best scenes. It's when everybody's just started. It's coming up. Wait for it. Yo, they just raining down on the house. One, how the neighbors didn't hear all of those guns just ringing, right? But that scene right there is fucking epic. It's like, it's crazy. We got some vitamins time. Got my B vitamins and daily vitamins. From this one's from Whole Foods. And then I'm just gonna have me like a late night snack. And then wait about an hour and your boy is going off to bed.